This is one of the best paper airplanes in the entire world. It flies over 150 feet and locks together at the nose of the plane. Not only that, but it is very easy to fold. So easy that I'm going to teach you how to make it in literally 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper and we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold it in half long ways. Open it up and fold triangles to the center like you do with a bunch of different paper airplanes. Then fold this whole top section down just like that. And take this corner, the top right one, and fold it to the center. And I aim just a little bit above that point there. That's just an estimation. Yours doesn't have to match mine perfectly. And fold your other side the same way. And then fold this little triangle up over your other layers. Fold it in half. And fold this short little edge here to your left edge. Just like that. Open this layer up. Tuck that down and tuck this back into that pocket there, and then fold your wing just like this. And there you go. You have a finished Mystic. Let's see this plane in action.